Optics.org has made it over to the SPIE AR/VR MR show, and I'm here with Joris Biskop, CEO for AddOptics. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, let's dive straight in. Who are you, what's your role at AddOptics, and why should people be excited about the technology?
I'm Joris Biskop. I'm CEO and co-founder of AddOptics. I have a background in optics engineering. I've been doing optics for a couple of decades now and here to present our solution for AR. At AddOptics, we take advanced optical concepts and turn them into reality. My responsibility, besides leading the company, is partnerships.
From your perspective, what's the toughest design hurdle engineers face when building smart glasses today?
What you see, there's a lot of advanced components coming to market. The next generation of waveguide is even better and nicer than the previous one. But the thing that lacks is the form factor and the aesthetics. So the integration of different components into what they call a see-through stack or a lens that is actually visually appealing, comfortable, thin and lightweight. That's a problem that people keep running into. Stacking layers on top of each other and adding more functionality to the glasses will make them very thick. And that's where AddOptics typically comes in. We're able to make them much thinner.
You've said that the lens is the key to the future of smart glasses, but why is it such a game changer?
The lens determines the future of smart glasses because just having the best spec is not the way to get to good consumer products. It's the integration, the elegance of the product. And you get that done by integrating the lens seamlessly. So you get the comfort you need through weight and the aesthetics that people see because it really determines the way you look.
Lots of companies are solving functionality by stacking layers, but why is that strategy destined to hit a ceiling?
Ultimately, if you keep stacking on layers, everything tends to be thicker. So you need another layer for another functionality, you get the thick lens. But one thing a lot of people don't think about just now is every layer reduces or introduces a new optical effect, like reflections or aberrations. And that just really limits the amount of functionality one can put inside of a lens.
If the lens is the bottleneck, how is AddOptics breaking it, and how does that change the game for smart glasses design?
AddOptics treats the lens as a unified structure. Instead of a stack of layers like a birthday cake, it integrates into each other. It allows for much more design freedom and use of the geometrical space, so designers can make their lenses thinner, but also more integrated, add more functionality, and combine all of that is what we call optomechanics. So put in all the mechanical features in order to do the mounting of the projector, etc., proper.
Lots of ideas look great in prototype, but how does your approach make them manufacturable at scale?
So our technology was designed with scale at heart. Scalability was one of the key factors we were developing for. Where we see that pushing technical features or making the ultra-thin lens definitely sets us apart, scalability makes us an actual reality.
If we look at the lenses you're unveiling at AR, VR, MR, what do they signal about the future of AR and smart glasses?
So what we show are ultra-thin RX correction lenses. These are our bread and butter. We've been doing these for a couple of years and easily bringing them to scale, targeting 100,000 pairs a year this year. The next kind of level up is a single function. That could be a dimming film integrated into the lens or waveguides that you can see here. Those are the next generation of products that we're now pushing to market. And together with customers, OEMs are developing in a way to serve the next generation of device. And the final one, that's our holy grail, our multi-stack. That's where we stack in all the functions that in our vision need to be in an AR lens. So that is the electro dimming, the waveguide, and eye tracking, all in one very thin but super stable package. As we cast that in, it becomes waterproof, it becomes impact proof, it makes it a really robust and market-ready product.
Joris, it's clear that by rethinking the lens from the ground up, AddOptics isn't just refining smart glasses, it's redefining what's possible for the entire category. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.